To preserve battery health, before storage, keep the state of charge at 40% to 60%. For long-term storage, perform a full charge, discharge cycle every 3 months to prevent capacity loss. Before storage, check for cracks, dents, or other damage. Inspect the connectors for damage or contamination. If they are heavily contaminated or damaged, replace the pack promptly. Service centers and users must store all batteries in the dedicated explosion-proof battery cabinet. At the end of today's work, during charging, ensure the storage area is equipped with fire safety equipment. During transport, place batteries in an explosion-proof cabinet. During transport, do not charge batteries inside the vehicle and keep them away from heat sources and flammables. In hot weather, do not store batteries in a vehicle cabin or in enclosed high-temperature spaces such as a prefab site cabin.